Gain insights and smart guidance from PaiGE. The Insight screen is your home base, the first place you land when you open the app. At the top of your Insight screen, you can ask PaiGE anything about your health. You might ask about symptoms, medications, lab results, lifestyle changes, or anything in your health record. You'll also see suggested questions to help you get started. PaiGE highlights key observations about your health right on the screen. You can tap into any of them to learn more or ask follow-up questions. She's always available wherever you see her in the app. And if you'd like your care team to be included in the conversation, just say, "Loop in my care team." Your care team receives your message with relevant health data and recent activity for context. You can see their reply anytime in conversation history. Behind the scenes, PaiGE reviews your health records, connected devices, assessments, and daily activity. The more you engage and share, the more personalized your insights and recommended health actions become for you and your care team. Sync your devices for ongoing health monitoring. Syncing your devices and health apps gives PaiGE and your care team a more complete, accurate view of your health. From the main menu, tap HP Plus Connection Hub. Next to Devices and Apps, select Connect. Choose your device from the list and follow the steps to connect. If your device isn't listed, connect it to Apple Health or another supported platform first, then link that platform to HealthBook Plus. Once connected, your data syncs automatically each day, including things like steps, heart rate, and sleep. You can connect multiple devices and apps, and then choose which one tracks each specific metric. You can also manually enter each one too. Your data will now appear in your health journey timeline and be continuously analyzed alongside your health records. This gives PaiGE and your care team deeper visibility into your health trends over time. Import your records and organize your health. HealthBook Plus securely imports all your electronic medical records into one organized place so you can easily access and manage your health. Navigate to the Records screen and select the Health Records tab. Tap on the HP Plus Connection Hub, and next to Providers, tap on Connect. Find your provider or health system. You'll need your username and password to log into your patient portal and authorize HealthBook Plus to import your records. Your medical conditions, medications, lab results, visit summaries, and more are automatically organized into categories. When your full health record is connected, PaiGE can deliver more accurate insights, and your care team gets a clearer view of your health history. In the Documents tab, you can upload financial documents, identification, insurance, and more, keeping everything organized, secure, and easy to share. Your health record overview is the place to get a quick snapshot of your records, where PaiGE summarizes your active conditions, medications, supplements, and shows the source of your electronic records. Build better habits with your daily journal. Your journal entries are where you capture what's happening each day. By recording how you're doing, you create a clear picture over time, helping PaiGE generate more personalized insights for you and your care team. You can start a new journal entry from within Journeys in the navigation. Start by selecting the mood icon that reflects how you feel right now. Next, add a short journal note. If you've received care instructions, PaiGE can suggest prompts to guide you on what to write about. Then review or enter your health metrics. If your wearable devices are connected, they'll populate automatically, or you can add them manually. Tracking these alongside your journal helps PaiGE identify patterns and connected insights. It's also important to log your lifestyle vitals, like movement, nutrition, sleep, or stress levels to round out your daily picture. When you build the habit of regular entries, PaiGE can spot trends and recommend personalized health actions. Your journal summaries are also shared with your care team, helping make each visit more informed and productive. Journey towards your goals. Journeys are step-by-step paths designed to help you reach a specific health goal, like improving nutrition or building healthier habits. Each journey is made up of guided steps that follow a clear sequence. You complete one before moving on to the next. Each step is designed as a conversation with PaiGE. She walks you through the topic, asks questions, and may share videos or helpful resources. You can ask questions at any time if you need clarification before moving forward. When you finish a step, mark it complete and continue to the next one. Along the way, PaiGE encourages you and keeps you focused as you move toward your goal. Your care team may assign goal-based journeys, but you can always start with the introductory journey titled, "What Can HealthBook Plus Do for Me?"